we go to the second system of medicine, that is the Unani system of medicine. Now, Unani system of medicine, the roots of this system, they go deep to the time of a well-known Greek philosopher, Hippocrates, who is credited with Unani system of medicine. Aristotle and Galen in 384 to 322 BC also made valuable contributions to this system of medicine. This system of Greek origin, it was further carried to Persia, that is in Iran, wherein it was being improved by the Arabian physicians in Iran. The Unani system of medicine, it is based on two theories, namely, first one is Hippocratic theory of four humors, and second one is the Pythagorean theory of four proximate qualities. The Hippocratic theory of these four humors are blood, phlegm, yellow bile, and black bile. The Pythagorean theory of four proximate qualities are the four qualities, that is the states of living human body, like hot, cold, moist, and dry. And they in turn are represented as earth, water, fire, and air. So the Unani system of medicine, the underlying principle or theory is entirely different. Now, the Greek physicians, they put some ideas, that is the Arabian physicians or the Greek ideas, they are having 7 working principles. Now in Unani, it is called as Umare Taiba, and it includes several elements. These 7 elements are temperaments, humors, organs, life, spirit, energy, actions. Now, they believe that these 7 principles are responsible for the body's constitution, its health, as well as the disease conditions. So all these 7 principles, that is Umare Taiba, they are the ones which are ensuring the well-being and the good health of your body. And if at all, if there is any disharmony or imbalance, it can again lead to a disease condition or a pathological condition. The Unani system of medicine aims at treating the cause of the disease and not merely the symptoms. So, in this particular system of medicine, the Unani doctor is going to examine and he is going to check thorough history of the patient. He is going to record pulse examination, urine examination, stool examination. The disease condition is considered due to the imbalance between the humors, and accordingly the treatment is given to the patient. So in case of Unani system of medicine, the treatment is not based on the symptoms, but they are trying to treat the patient based on the actual cause of the disease. The drugs which are available in Unani system of medicine, they are all polyherbal formulations, and their collective effect is considered. Polyherbal, that means more than one herb or more than one part of the plant material is present in the given formulation. So it is called as polyherbal formulation. The role of pharmacognosy in Unani system of medicine. Now, the system of medicine, the information about the drugs is given in materia medica. So materia medica of Unani system of medicine, it comprises of drugs coming from plant origin or vegetable origin, animal origin and mineral origin. Vegetable origin or plant origin, it includes various morphological parts of the plant material, or it can also include the secretory products. Secretory products are nothing but the unorganized drugs, for example, say latex and gums. Around 3,000 such drugs are recognized in the materia medica of Unani system of medicines. In addition to it, there are some animal drugs which are derived from all the sorts of living beings, animal organs, and their flesh, hair, hooves, excreta, or bones. In addition to it, It also includes drugs coming from the mineral origin like talc, mica, heavy metals like arsenic, antimony, metals like gold, silver, lead, zinc, copper, iron. They are all used as drugs. Now, all these drugs, either they can be used in liquid forms or they also can be used in semi-solid forms. Now, these are some of the names of Unani medicines in their language: Madar, Yufal, Gilo, Chini, Karanj, Lod, Zira, Sia, and Kwas. And these are the different forms of Unani drugs. We have got the powder drugs, that is the crude drug to the powder form. The preparation is called as the sapu. From the coarse form to the fine powder form, it is called as the sapu, mahalul. Then we have got the drug powder and the syrup preparation, mainly for treating chest infection. It is called as the lau. Then we have got the topical formulations, that is the drug in the fatty base. It is called as the marham. Then we have got the decoctions, that is called as the joshanda for internal administration. We have got the distilled aromatic waters. It is called as the arak for digestion aids, for improving the digestion. And we have got the suppositories and pessaries. They are called as the shapes and the battis, that is for treating diseases of the genital organs. So these are the different preparations which are available in the Unani forms of drugs. We go to the third system of medicine. That third system of medicine, it is called as the Siddha system of medicine. Now, this Siddha system of medicine, it is identified in the pre-Vedic era or in the pre-Vedic period, and also it was identified with the Dravidian culture. This system of medicine, it is largely therapeutic in nature. The theory and the basic principles of Siddha system of medicine. The whole Siddha system of medicine, it is strongly based on three principles of the body: Vata, Pitta, Kapha, and they are called as Three Guna. Now this Three Guna, it finds its origin in the fetus itself at the development stage in the mother's womb. So as and when the fetus is being formed in the primitive stage of the pregnancy of a woman, this Three Guna is identified in the fetus of the mother's womb, right from the birth of the infant or the baby. Now, these three gunas are not generally balanced due to some anomalies which later on attain extremities due to nutritional, physical, and environmental conditions of life. Now, this three guna in Siddha system of medicine, that is Vata, Pitta, Kapha, it is well defined. We'll go to the first one, that is Vata. In case of Vata, the body is characterized in stout, black, cold, and inactive personality. So if Vata guna increases in an individual, the individual may develop acidity, obesity, dysentery, partial paralysis, heart attacks, neck and chest pain. Pitta, the body is identified in lean, wittish complexion, hot and perfectionist personalities. Increase in Pitta guna, it shows graying of the hair, reddish eyes, burning chest, anemia, mental derangement. These all can be observed in the patients. The third one is the Kapha guna. The body personalities in Kapha guna, they are well-built, good complexion, well-behaved. They always show more affinity towards sweet, food, etc. So if there is an increase in the Kapha guna, diseases like jaundice, heart attack, high fever, anemia, etc. can be found. Now, in Vata body also, Pitta or Kapha guna can also increase, and predominance of that particular guna can also be seen in an individual. So in Vata body, if there is predominance of Pitta guna, so Pitta guna can be seen. If there is a predominance of Kapha guna, So that particular guna also can be identified. Diagnosis of Siddha system of medicine. Now the part of diagnosis is very, very important in Siddha system of medicine. During the diagnosis, the Siddha doctor or the Siddha physician is generally going to study first 8 things. First one is Nadi, that is the pulse reading. Second is the Dhwani, that is the speech. Third one is the Tvaka, that is the tongue. Diyam, that is the body. Niram, the color. Malam, that is the fecal matter. Mutram, that is the urine. And Vizi, that is the eyes. So he's going to do the diagnosis on the basis of all these 8 things. The treatment of Siddha system of medicine. The Siddha physicians begin the treatment with full knowledge of the disease diagnosed by him. Siddha Vaidya keeps the knowledge of thousands of herbs and their effectiveness in specific composition and formulation. These are the various Siddha forms of the drugs. We have got under the group, that is the names of the drugs, Kashyam, they are called as extracts. Then we have got Churna, that is the powders, example is Ashwagandha. Next one is the Leham, confections, Amla Leha, Ginger Leha. Then Tailams, we have got medicated oils, nutmeg oil. Then we have got neem oil. Then we have got Gritam, that means it is containing ghee, medicated ghee. We have got Adatoda Grita. Adatoda is Vasaka, that is, it is containing Vasicine and Vacinon. We have got Brahmi Grita. And we have got Mezogu, that is the waxes, that is the saffron wax and turmeric wax.